Hi, welcome to this video on how to add audio in Canva. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the workspace where you want to add audio. For this tutorial, I have 3 pages to illustrate how to add audio to images. The images I'm using are inspirational backgrounds to match the uplifting audio. To begin, I'll select the 3 photos I want to use. On the first page, I'll choose a sunset landscape photo and size it to fit the page. Next, on the second page, I'll select another inspiring sunset photo and resize it. For the third page, I'll pick an above the clouds photo and size it accordingly. Once I have all 3 pages set up, I'll proceed to add the audio. On the right-hand side, click Upload to upload the audio file. Select the audio file from your computer and click Upload to add it to your Canva account. After the upload is complete, click the bottom arrow labeled Show to display your workspace with all pages. Then, click on the audio file and adjust its size to fit your pages. Once you're happy with the setup, play the audio to ensure everything is as you want it.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Let's break free from doubt and embrace the boundless possibilities of our future.
There you have it. You heard the audio play beautifully with the sunset photos, perfectly matching the inspirational quotes. That's how you add audio in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.